who agrees with the idea that love is a result of a biochemical process?
I do, absolutely. If you've ever been in love, you know that kind of drugged sensation she mentioned. That's the chemicals and hormones at work.
Well, I've had some romantic experiences. I wouldn't say I've ever been drugged by anyone.
Really? Well, what about that first phase she mentioned? The one where you're looking for a partner, seeking a partner? Surely you've experienced that part.
Actually, I don't do much seeking. I'm usually the one being sought.
Well, that makes sense. After all, it takes all kinds to make the love ritual work.
And what about you? Have you experienced the 3 phases of falling in love?
Well, not so much for myself, but I know about the 3rd stage, the commitment stage, from watching my older brother and his wife. They've been married for like 5 years, and they're content. I'd say happy. They're not real passionate, but I'd say happy. That's oxytocin. That's oxytocin working.
Well, personally, I resist the idea that love is completely chemical or hormonal. I mean, we're not animals, right?
I don't think she was saying that.
Well, maybe not, but can we at least agree that we do have some control? I mean, we may have these feelings, but we can consciously control them, right?
Oh,
Yeah, of
definitely.
course.
Yeah, I mean,